first and foremost I should put like some nazar ka tika outside my walk-in wardrobe. You're calling us dhapu. Like basically
not
you're saying कि हम लोग
really,
जाते हैं
but
ढाप कर
yeah.
आते हैं.
Hello everybody, this is Jasween Kaur and welcome to HF Raids, wherein we give you the access to your favorite celebrity closets, vanity vans and some secret spots. And guess whose closet are we invading today? Well, she's the most talented, the lovely Ahana Kumra.
Hi.
This is HF Raids and we are here to invade your wardrobe.
I was expecting you. Come on in.
Hello Ahana, welcome to HF Raids.
Thank you so much.
I have just entered your wardrobe and I want to sleep here.
A lot of people want
Yeah.
to sleep in my wardrobe. You're
I
not the
know.
only one, trust me.
I know, my god, and the interiors are spectacular.
Thank you so much.
And as growing up, I think every girl has that dream of having like a walk-in wardrobe. So what was the story behind yours?
I think first and foremost I should put like some nazar ka tika outside my walk-in wardrobe, because all my girlfriends have been wanting this wardrobe. Every time like somebody walks into my wardrobe, there is like, oh my god, even I want a wardrobe like this. And I get that because I feel that, you know, we all live in Mumbai.
Yeah.
And everybody has apartments, and you know, you can't just dedicate a room to a wardrobe so easily, because
Yes.
I remember like when I made this wardrobe, this room, the walk-in, the first thing my father walked in and he said was कि तुमने एक room बेकार कर दिया. And I was like, Papa, you don't get it. Like, I've always had too many clothes. I've
Yeah.
always had a dream that I never wanted to hunt for my clothes.
Yes.
And I was always somebody who was like कि अच्छा अगर मुझे अपने जूते चाहिए तो I should know कौन सी wardrobe में होना चाहिए. जब गर्म कपड़े चाहिए so I should know Indian clothes. I should. So I've always wanted to always had a very segregated wardrobe.
Section for everything,
Yeah,
yeah.
wardrobe life.
Yeah.
You know, so. I think that really instigated me to,
Yes.
you know, just get a wardrobe. And I was like, when I'm getting a home of my own, one room is just going to be dedicated to a wardrobe. So, voila.
So let's go there.
Let's
I can
go.
see there.
Welcome to my first and my most favorite wardrobe.
And Lucknow के हो तो चिकन कारी तो होगा.
100%. Or
So-
chicken curry is one of my favorite embroideries, and this is a very beautiful piece. जो I think मैंने कुछ I think COVID से पहले ये piece बनवाया था.
Oh, it's all custom made?
It's all custom made.
Wow.
So I get a lot of my pieces custom made. और मुझे
Okay.
मुकेश का काम बहुत पसंद है.
It's so pretty.
And yeah, it's really one of my most favorite pieces. And it's very timeless and it's very elegant.
Have you worn it?
Yeah, I've worn it to like maybe 1 or 2 events.
That's
And
very pretty.
yeah. So this one
Yes.
is by this designer called Pink City by Sarika.
Okay.
And she's from Kolkata. So this is one of my favorite pieces and I really love the work. You know, इन लोगों ने जो काम किया है इस पर बहुत प्यारा है. In fact, I wore this time to Tirupati Balaji.
Wow.
So yeah, I wore this outfit to Tirupati Balaji.
And I love how it has like a bandhani touch to it also.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's very, very pretty. Like in लोगों ने, I like the way it's so eclectic because there's pearl का काम, there's some little zari
Yeah.
का काम, then there is, you know, this really pretty bandhani. And this color is really nice and bright.
Tell me, what is your relationship with your stylists like?
Her name's Juhi Ali.
Okay.
My stylist. She has been working with me, I think, for the last six years now.
Yeah.
And it's very difficult to handle somebody like me because I have a temper. Like in a true blue Taurian. मतलब अगर नहीं करना है तो नहीं करना है, नहीं पहनूंगी तो नहीं पहनूंगी. It's one of those कि मैं अड़ गई तो अड़ गई. You know, it's very
Yeah.
difficult to get past me by like, you know, by those by that virtue.
Bless Juhi.
So she really like has it difficult. Like
Yeah.
she really has it hard with me.
Yes.
And but I feel like, you know, there are many things that I would not wear if it wasn't for her. So this is my dresses ka wardrobe.
I think I've seen that a lot of actors pick out something that they love from their character, from the sets, and then they get them home. So do you also do that?
You're calling us dhapu. Like basically you're
not
saying कि हम लोग
really,
जाते हैं
but
ढाप कर
yeah.
आते हैं. But of course I'm no different, and I have a really favorite outfit of mine from this very, very favorite show of mine called Sandwich Forever.
Okay.
And we had shot that during lockdown. And my stylist had got me a very cute dress, you know, and I thought this dress was very cute when I wore it. So I picked this dress at that time, and I love this dress, and I think it's such a favorite dress
Yeah.
of mine that I wear it like multiple times. Like I probably must have worn it for many shoots, many events. ऐसे जब बाहर जाती हूँ
Easy to style it also.
Very cute
Yeah.
also, and like one of my favorite colors. And there's another dress that
Oh, you have more. Ahana is a certified dhapu,
I'm a
guys.
proper dhapu. As I said, I'm a warder and a dhapu. This is another show called The Inventor Challenge, and
I
shot
love the
for
print.
It is very cute, and I had loved this dress. तो मैं मुझे winter clothing बहुत पसंद है, and so I'm going to now show you my winter clothing wardrobe.
Let's go.
So I'm a big fanatic of buying winter wear, and I
Okay.
think I mostly buy winter wear whenever I'm traveling to a cold
Yes.
place or like a cold city or a cold country. This is from Manali.
Ooh, colors.
It is so cute. और ये मैंने ऐसे मनाली में मतलब मैं literally चल रही थी मार्केट में, and I suddenly saw this and I was like यार ये बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. And this is very unique to Manali because
Yeah.
Manali is all about colors and it's
Yeah.
all about like these really eclectic, cafes, and बहुत ही सुंदर है
Yes,
मनाली.
yes.
And I thought like this was really something that shrieked Manali. And I was just like यार ये हिमाचल का मुझे लग रहा है कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई ये हिमाचल का है. तो ये मैंने इनफैक्ट बहुत प्यारा एक सेथन विलेज करके एक जगह है जहाँ पर हम लोगों ने सोलो फीमेल ट्रैवलर का शूट किया था.
Okay.
And I wore this for that episode, for that bit. So this is another favorite jacket of mine, और ये जैकेट मैंने लद्दाख से ली थी.
Okay.
जब मैंने सोलो फीमेल ट्रैवलर का वो एपिसोड किया था जब हम लोग ले गए थे.
Oh yeah.
So this is when I went to an army store and I went and picked this up. हम लोग एक्चुअली पत्थर साहिब गए थे, पर वहाँ पर एक आर्मी का वो है म्यूजियम है. One of the greatest army museums because वहाँ पर विक्रम बत्रा के लेटर है.
Yes, yes.
And there are many letters from
Yes.
many soldiers who are like 22-year-olds who जो शहीद हुए हैं हमारे देश के लिए, और उन्होंने ऐसे लेटर्स अपनी फैमिली को लिखे हैं. दिस इज 500 रुपए की जंपर. लाइक ये हम लोग को शिलोंग से मिला था 500 रुपए का.
Best
और
purchase.
इसने लोकल मार्केट से उठाई थी ये मेरे लिए. एंड आई थॉट इट वाज सो कूल कि इसको 500 रुपए में इतनी अच्छी जैकेट मिली, बिकॉज दिस इज एक्चुअली अ रियली नाइस एंड वार्म जैकेट. सो आई वाज लाइक क्या बात है, अगर आप लोग को शिलोंग में शॉपिंग करनी है यू कैन जस्ट गो टू द लोकल मार्केट एंड गेट समथिंग रियली नाइस देयर फॉर 500 रुपीस.
My God, guys, look at the shoe wardrobe. Ahana, this is like a legit problem.
I should be like happy about
No,
it.
but this is like massive.
It is massive. I agree. It is. बोली लगाओ. चाहिए बोली लगाओ.
No, I don't even know what to pick right now because there's so many options.
Well, quite a bit, and this is just one of the wardrobes. I have not even shown you the others.
There's more.
There's a lot of shoes. Like this is only like my red carpet event shoes and my shoes, like my running shoes and my boots. But I have many wardrobes where there are like साड़ियों के नीचे जो पहनते हैं, फिर मेरे पास जूतियों के लिए अलग है. तो मैंने काफी इसको segregate करके रखा हुआ है. And I'll tell you what happened honestly, like, and why I started buying so many shoes is when I realized that on red carpet when our stylist used to source जूते,
Yeah.
फिर उसके नीचे के सोल खराब होते क्योंकि बॉम्बे की सड़कें तो हमें पता ही है कैसी हैं, इतनी सुंदर और इतनी प्यारी और इतनी like गड्ढों के अंदर roads. Anyway, so every time I used to wear a
Yeah.
shoe, the stylist used to get a email from the from the brand saying कि आपकी एक्टर ने हमारा वो खराब कर दिया जूता. And I'm like हद होती है यार, हम कैसे जूता खराब कर सकते हैं? आप जूता मत दीजिए ना फिर सोर्सिंग पर.
चलेंगे
हाँ,
कैसे
वही तो
फिर?
मैंने कहा, उड़ के थोड़ी ना जाऊंगी. तुम्हारा जूता तो गंदा होना ही है.
हाँ.
This is like no, sole has become dirty and this that. So I started telling my stylist, I said, you know what, forget it. I will just buy my shoes and I'll keep my shoes. बाकी उन लोग को जो करना है वो लोग करें, So I started buying shoes. But I love wearing like sportswear and
Yeah.
that's one of my favorite. And although like you'll see all these glamorous
Yeah.
shoes, but they're all always used for like red carpet
Yeah.
or. So there are many running shoes I have.
I love these ones though.
Yeah. These are the this is अपना Ultra Boost है, the Mary Miko collection of
yeah.
this thing, shoes, and these are also one of my favorite running shoes. I love running in these Mary Miko ones. So there are many Mary
Yeah.
Miko shoes that I really love. There's one more. There's a gym, like this is a weight training का जूता.
सबका अलग-अलग है.
सबका अलग है. So my running shoes are separate. So I wear a lot of like Nike Flyknits for
Yeah.
running. But these are some of my jutis.
Are these from
And
like?
These are all from Punjab.
Oh,
They're
they're
all
like very
from Punjab.
authentic Punjabi embroidery.
Yeah, so these are all Punjab ki.
Mirror work.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I pick up like all these jutis when I go to Punjab, when I go to Amritsar, I pick up all my jutis from
And
there.
I love this one, the quirky.
Which one? This
The
one.
bay.
This I think some brand had gifted me.
Oh, that's so
but
cute.
it was very cute.
Yeah.
And last, I think last week only my sister and my 2-3 friends have come home and
But
raided.
जुत्तीज में ना shoe bite भी बहुत होता है. Do you have hacks for that? क्योंकि I can't wear जुत्ती.
वैसलीन कोकोनट, अगर आप
Really?
कोकोनट ऑयल अपनी जुत्ती के पीछे लगा लें
हाँ.
रात भर
Yeah.
या वैसलीन लगा, वैसलीन तो खैर नहीं, लेकिन कोकोनट ऑयल अगर आप जुत्ती के पीछे रगड़ लें तो इट बिकम सॉफ्टर.
Okay, so Ahana, this is a very special segment. Here, what we do is that we show you a couple of pictures and you have to tell us the story behind that look.
Okay.
Okay, so we have 3 pictures.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready.
This is the first picture.
One of my favorite photographs.
We love this sari.
Yeah, it's a raw mango. And Sanjay had draped this himself.
What?
Yeah, so Sanjay came to my room and he was like, this is a really nice sari and it's a very precious sari. And he just wanted my look to be very strong. And he wanted the look to be, or the photograph to look very like, you know, it should look like a determined woman. So I think, and I think like all the saris from Raw Mango are some of my favorite saris, but he has some really nice statement saris and this is one of them.
The next is this one. This is so good.
Candy floss.
Candy floss,
This
totally.
is Barbie verse.
So what was the story behind this look and styling?
So it was the Barbie premiere in India, and I obviously wanted to look like Candy Floss, and I
Yeah.
wanted to look like, you know, a really nice color, and it looked like Casata ice cream. Because
Totally.
Casata ice cream is pink and yellow, na? So
Yeah.
I think like the minute I wore it, I was like, I'm looking like Casata. So I thought it was really nice and fluff and, you know, and everything that Barbie stands for. So I really loved wearing this dress and I loved creating this.
Very princessy.
It was.
And one of the most special ones is
Oh
this.
yeah, I love this. So this is from Lipstick Under My Burqa. This is my first feature that I ever did.
Yeah.
And this has been shot in Bhopal. In the film, I think Rohit Chaturvedi, who's our costume designer in the film, he wanted my looks to be very floral and he wanted
Yeah.
my looks to be very colorful.
And it matches your scooty.
It
also.
was, and this scooty I rode around Bhopal everywhere. Like literally chalk walk में हमने इतना चलाया था इस scooter को. And there were times when like, you know, I used to take like the sound equipment from one place to the other on my little scooty because we were shooting in chalk and chalk is very like अगर आप
Yes.
किसी भी शहर में chalk side पे जाएंगे तो chalk is a very hectic marketplace,
Yeah.
you know. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and this is really one of my favorite photographs, and it's also in my bedroom.
Oh, it's so sweet. So, show me your mom's sari right now. I'm so excited to see that.
So this is a piece of her sari, and I made this into a dupatta. This is what she had worn during her wedding. This is a dupatta that जो सुहागनें लेती हैं अपने सर के ऊपर.
So, is it from her wedding?
It's her wedding sari.
What?
It's actually her wedding का चुन्नी.
Okay.
And I made that into a dupatta because I didn't want to. So she had kept it inside. और मेरी माँ को ना ऐसे ट्रंक्स में सब चीजें भर भर के रखने की ऐसी आदत है ना, because she doesn't like to give away her things very
All
easily.
mothers, I'll tell you, all mothers.
You know, so I had to fight for this piece, and I told her, I said, I want one of your pieces in my wardrobe at least. So this is a piece that I've always like kept in all my wardrobes. This is the piece that goes first into, you know, my cupboard.
The best heirloom.
It really is.
Yeah.
And honestly, you don't get this anywhere anymore. Like I feel like
Pure Zardozi.
हाँ बिल्कुल. और ये बनारस से लिया गया था क्योंकि मेरे फादर बनारस से हैं, तो मेरी आधी शॉपिंग तो बनारस और लखनऊ से होती है ज़्यादातर, बट ये बनारस से लिया गया था, एंड आई लव दिस हेirloom piece.
Ahana, by the way, any girl who is from Bombay knows कि Colaba Causeway is your ultimate spot to buy jewelry, झुमकास. बट कोई संभाल के नहीं रखता after they leave college because उस टाइम पहन के वो कब ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाते हैं पता नहीं चलता है.
बिल्कुल.
बट आई एम shook कि आपके पास अभी भी guys, she really has all of her pieces from Colaba Causeway, which is so interesting because there is also a trend that Colaba Causeway follows.
All the time.
All the time. So you tell me about this collection and how did you manage to keep it all in?
So I remember like picking up these are all the jhumkas that I have picked up from Colaba. These are all my little jhumkas that I picked up from Colaba, and these are years ago I picked up. And I still wear them. I wear them all. Like literally मैं कभी भी कोई outfit होता है then, and my friends come to my wardrobe just to see कि उनकी कौन सी outfit के साथ उनका कौन सा झुमका match करेगा.
क्योंकि ये पूरा बाजार है. Just by the way guys,
बाजार ही
Jaipur
है.
is here only.
This is from Jaipur. ये लाख का है और ये मेरी मम्मी का है. And this is a very old piece that she had picked up from Jaipur. So this is something that my mother had bought from Jaipur when she had gone to Jaipur for the first time with my father.
Yeah.
And it's very pretty क्योंकि ये लाख का है. और ये बहुत ही पुराना पीस है उनका एंड I don't think she also likes to discard her pieces because she also picks up like really pretty pieces. So she had asked me कि तुमको ये रखना है, so I was like, of course मुझे रखना है. This is a very like cute piece and my friend has gifted me my first Pandora. She's my best friend Yang Chi.
Oh, it's your first Pandora. Oh.
Yeah, so the bracelet reads sisters. They'll not always be there around you, but they're always there. You know, it says a really sweet thing. And so I never owned a Pandora in my life, and I thought like, and you know, this time she brought it for me, and I was like, अरे मैं तो कभी store के अंदर भी नहीं गई हूँ, you know. So she was like, don't worry, I've got you. These are again all these pieces that I picked up during college. I think I must have been like 18.
Wow.
18 or something when I picked up all these.
We used to pick all of those colorful things, no पहले कि बहुत ये सबसे ज़्यादा अलग लग रहा है. Statement है ये.
Statement pieces.
हाँ.
तो ये सब मैंने बहुत उठाए हैं कॉलेज के टाइम. तो ये काफ़ी मेरी कोलावा की ज्वेलरी है. बट ज्वेलरी तो खैर मैं काफ़ी जगहों से उठाती रहती हूँ. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my wardrobe tour.
We definitely did, and we're going to rate something soon.
Please rate it.
Yeah.
मेरे पास बहुत सामान है देने के लिए.
So Ahana, you know this is HF Raids and I cannot let you go without giving me something from your beautiful closet.
And why was I expecting this? So obviously I knew that this is going to happen. I've kept something ready for you.
Oh my god.
And it is a beautiful kurta from one of my wardrobes.
Wow. This is so pretty.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And it's cotton, it's colorful, it's very pretty, and it looks like a piece of Gujarat or Rajasthan, you know, something like that. And I love this kurta because I have worn it to so many events and so many like festivals, and I think this just goes like perfect
Definitely
with everything.
Definitely.
So here you go.
Yay! We got something out. Thank you so much, Ahana, for having us, for letting us invade your closet. And I hope you enjoyed too.
I did. I hope you guys enjoyed my wardrobe tour, and lots of love to HF Raids.
So see you guys soon. Bye.